Hello, welcome to Simon's Trading Channel. Happy Wednesday to you. That's right, we're halfway through the week. And without further ado, let's just dive straight into the price action. Might just have a sneaky peek. Let's have a sneaky peek at the weekly on CME. See what it's kind of looking like with 2.5 or 2 and a bit days to go till it closes. Well, not great. You'd like to see it stay above you, or you'd like to see it not close below last week's low on the weekly, which is 66.5. So it's an important number. That's also a number that will come up in the rest of this video. So pin your ears back. Let's get into the juicy stuff. Okay. Over to Bybit, and we'll switch down to the lower time frames. So I've got this crazy redness going on, and all it is, range high, range low, range mid, and then a trend line. And it's still kind of there, the trend line, it's still kind of there. If there's a perfect test, I'll be so proud of it, but I think that's probably unlikely, although you never know. However, still got a sequence of higher lows and indeed higher highs, as you can see here from the low, and then the next move, higher low. We talked about this, I talked about it extensively, and then there's got to be another higher low here somewhere. For this trend to continue, and if there isn't, if you don't indeed see that, turn back up and get back above the current local high, which is daily closure at 71.5, then that means changing structure. And when an uptrend changes its structure, generally it changes into a downtrend if it doesn't just go sideways. So yeah, we'll see. I can take these off. Let's just take those off. Don't really need those. Perfect. And now I'm going to jump down. Oh, just while we're on the daily, you can see the momentum is still up above the zero line on the MACD there. And it's quite far away, so I wouldn't pay any attention to that number at the moment. The 4 hour did indeed fail to maintain the zero line, and therefore momentum on the 4 hour is to the downside at the moment. And it did also, I drew a little trend line on like this yesterday, just picking out the lows, and it's on the verge of sort of breaking that little uptrend, although I'm not sure that's of massive significance, but it is there nonetheless. However, much like the daily, needs to turn back up sooner rather than later. And indeed, the areas of significance in the first place, so 4 hour daily closures pretty much just below where it is now, but if you want more of a rounded figure, I'd say somewhere, so 4 hour daily closures below about 66,750, and then it's likely going to move down to the midpoint, which is at 65,000. If you've then got 4 hour and daily closures below there, then you can see how that then becomes significant for the weekly on CME. So a slightly different chart, but it's probably similar on Bybit here. So 66,150. Yeah, so you wouldn't want to get too many, even if there are 4 hour and daily closures below there this week, with today being Wednesday, you'd want it to pick back up so that the last week's low isn't broken. Yeah, so for our momentum to the downside, daily still to the upside. So, you know, that's kind of sideways, which is what it's been doing effectively. And the longer it hangs around, the better, but it has got to make a move back up at some point. Otherwise, yeah, it's going to negate this uptrend. What else did I want to say? I think that'll just about do it for today. Bit of a shorter video, but not a great deal has happened. And if you are looking for more upside, clearly you'd like that to continue for a little while, as in not too many more of these red candles. All right, that'll do. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and come back tomorrow because I'll be doing it all again for Thursday. And of course, if you haven't enjoyed the video, don't like or subscribe or come back tomorrow, because that's right, you'll be seeing my face once again. Take care. Enjoy what's left of your Wednesday. See you tomorrow.